In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the Flatten node. The Flatten node allows us to create separate columns out of a semi-structured file that contains arrays or structs. Here, in the Flatten node configuration pane, on the left-hand side, we will see the schema. The schema contains any structs or arrays that appear in your file. When we click on the struct, it then shows us each of the values contained within the struct. In this case, we want to create new columns out of the city, state, street, and zip. This will allow us to extract more information into a more usable form for future modeling. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that before we have executed the Flatten node, that we have an address column that contains structs. The information inside is not in a particularly usable form for any form of modeling or further analysis. After we have executed the Flatten node, we can see that we have 4 new columns created on the right-hand side of the screen. These have all been created by extracting information from the struct and separating out the information into individual columns. Thank you for listening.